Relax. Ay! So, nagkakap na. Hi!
Hello everyone, welcome to Angie Vlogs. Hi guys, it's me again, Angelo. This is our second day here in Baguio. Bababa na tayo sa La Union by tomorrow morning. The Stair of Calvary. Charot! We are about to go to town. We need to walk so far. Good morning, everyone. Hi people! It's already new day. Punta tayo ng Session Road. Meeting spot ng lahat. Walking alone. Bye.
Lakad ka na.
Hi everyone! Dito tayo ngayon sa Good Taste Restaurant. So itong Good Taste is common sa mga turista dito sa Baguio. And kung napapansin nyo, ang daming tao. Pero hindi pa naman siya super dami. Like, pag may panagbeng, may mga events. Pero as of the moment, almost 1 hour na tayong pumili. Hi everyone! After 1 hour of waiting, after 1 hour na nakapila, and nag-wait for food at least 5 minutes, eto na tayo ngayon. Gusto ko maka-experience ng iba-ibang food, kaso ang daming order, dalawa lang kami Bia kakain. So, sabi ko, ito lang pipiliin namin para content. Konti ba to? Parang pang 1 linggo na rin namin to ah. Pero sulit siya, and yung price is very affordable. It's my second time na mag-dine in sa Good Taste, and I still recommend. Dahil bukod sa masarap yung lasa niya, very good yung dami ng orders. As in, parang pwede na pagsamasamahin yung breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Kapilaan. Guys, so it was great experience. Thank you so much, Bia.
No problem.
Bia is may kababata na dumadayo. Umuwi sila ng Mandaluyong.
Tayo.
Tapos, nalaro kami ng bata. Kasi yung ganito, tamang bisita.
Ang kalaro kawawa siya.
Ako pa. Well, parang ako pa. Ayun, thank you so much. Good taste. Hindi lang taste ang good, pati experience. Oo. Tapos sulit yung food. Tingnan mo may take out pa kami. Nasa yung take out natin. Oh, di ba? Ang dami pa rin tao. Hi guys, it's me, Angelo. And na ngayon, nasa Burnham Park tayo. And
May kasama tayong bankero. Who's Ian? My friend.
Let. Ayan. Okay. Like this.
Go! Kaya mo yan.
No, it's fine. Go.
Nagpunta ako dito para mag-relax, hindi para magsagot.
We're going to the center. Bro!
I can go in. Wait lang. Dito muna tayo mag-focus.
Sige.
It's working naman.
Ayan.
Kami ayoko na. Hey
Hindi mo na
guys.
ba kaya? Oh, there's a boat. Lakata, lakata, lakata. There's another boat. On your...
May mag-adjust. Sorry po.
Go, go. Kaya mo yan. Do you want me to get us out of here? Do you want me to move the boat?
Okay lang. Hi everyone, we are here on Lower Piñat. Piñat. So hard to pronounce. And we are having rest kasi mamaya it's about to visit the night market and try to have the bar. Basta, ewan ko. Let's be updated. Guys, thank you for watching. Hi everyone! Together with Ian and nasa Baguio Night Market tayo. Session Road.
No,
Arizona. Yeah.
Arizona.
Super dami ng tao. And at the same time, medyo mainit dito. Pero dun sa labas kasi malamig. So, yeah.
Nasa na sila ako.
Bagsak na bagsak na yung hair ko. Sarap magbukbang, kaso ang haba ng pila ng mga tao. Parang kakain na naman kami, ayaw na kami pagbigyan. Eme. So look oh, very huge volume of human race dito sa Baguio City.
Very thick. Kasi, December na. Holidays.
Tapos bukas ano pa, holiday din. So yan, ano, minove na Bonifacio Day. Akala ko sa work lang may queuing. Pati dito pala. Ang haba ng pila per stall. Kunyari hindi tayo mga-arte. Wait lang. Naka-play na, hindi pa naman.
Naka-video na. Ang cute-cute mo mukha kang bata. Ano yan?
So, kain tayo ng sisig ngayon as our dinner. Kasi naubusan daw sila ng kanin. Kaya sisig lang in-order namin. Halaga 150. Tapos bumili kami ng siomai, Japanese siomai. 4 pieces, 25 pesos. Let's taste. Medyo mainit siya. Tapos, anong pangalan ng park na to?
Melvin Jones.
Melvin Jones. Dito tayo kumakain ngayon kasi walang pwesto. Mainit-init siya. Pero ang lamig-lamig. Up. Kain tayo. Morning guys! It's already 12 a.m. here in Baguio. And tapos na tayong mag-dinner. Dinner / midnight snack. And nandito pa rin tayo sa Harrison Street, which is, or Harrison Road rather, kung saan nagaganap yung night market. Medyo humupa na yung tao, unlike kanina. Talagang ang OA. And we are about to go to Ampersand, which is
One of the famous bars in Baguio.
yay!
For a pants.
So, see you there. Sure lang. Hi guys, it's Angelo. Good evening guys, this is Angelo and I'm together with Ian and James. So, pauwi na kami galing ng Ampersand. It was a great experience. A nightlife here in Baguio.
Sayang di na aga.
Tapos Good morning, everyone. This is me, Angelo, and this is our third day and also our last day here in Baguio. But Boracay. So, we are here in Lower Pingat. So, ayun yung problema ko kahapon pa. The way I pronounce this is Pinget. But the right pronunciation, sabi ni Ian na lokal dito, is Pingat. Parang siyang pingat, but at the same time may parang pai. Pingat. And look at the view. Ang ganda-ganda. Very Baguio. So as of now, it's already 11 a.m. no? Mainit. Mainit, malagkit siya, pero yung simoy ng hangin, may dala pa ring lamig. Kaya enjoyable naman. I'm so happy. 3 a.m. na kami nakauwi kaninang madaling araw. Kasi 2:30 a.m. umalis na kami sa bar. Then, at exact around 3 a.m. dito na kami. Kakagising lang namin kaninang alas 8. So, again, I'm thankful to God for this kind of awesome experience in Baguio. And I'm very, very happy. Wala akong masabi. Afternoon, everyone. We are here on Lower Pingat, and we're about to go to town proper. Still together with Ian. Guys, may kikwento ako sa inyo. May napulot kaming phone kahapon sa bar, and naibalik namin siya sa may-ari ngayon. Natutuwa ako. I just appreciate the gift that they have given to me. This one. Starbucks. Thank you po. Thank you so much. And they are thankful too kasi naibalik ko yung phone. Nakakatuwa lang. I did not expect any returns. But yeah. Thank you. Halo-halo dito. May mga foods, may mga activities, and also mga mascots. Concession board. Tara, ikot tayo. Naghanap pa rin ako nung flower. Hi guys! We are about to... Sulat ko yung name. it's already 4:35 and we are here on Mirador. And it's about walking on a trail. Ito yung mga bato-bato dyan. Rock formations. And the famous bamboo grove. Mirador Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Yeah. Tara. So, hi. So, ang taas na natin, more on walking sa stairs. Trekking, hiking, sama-sama. Gusto niya ang laki ng bato. Think dito, maganda area. Hi guys! We are here on Grotto. Kakatapos lang namin sa Mirador. Actually, magkatabi lang sila or nasa same place sila. Pero by this time, we have to go down using these hundreds of steps. See? Laban. So start na natin. So dito tayo sa Burnham Park and sa Baguio Police Station Office, Tourist Police Unit, may free na radish. Yes. Ayun siya, oh. Libre nilang pinamimigay. Mami, gusto ko mag-uwi kaso baka mabulong. Hindi ba yung mabulong? So, kuha. Ayun, oh. Ang dami. Kaya pamigay nila ng libre sa lahat. Hi, so ginamit natin yung gift ni Ate Kanina na napagpiligan natin ng phone. And very thankful. So, here we are. Stop. Kapag nandito kailangan ko mag-chill. Pag sa bahay, kinakamay natin. So, medyo sasim na tayo for that.
Wow!